What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. This is part 2 on removing the intake manifold to replace the TGV on the 2013 STI. Now this is just a time lapse as there's quite a few connectors to disconnect as well as bolts to remove. But it's pretty straightforward. I would highly recommend labeling each connector you remove. That way it'll be a lot easier to reinstall everything and know that you have connected everything that has been removed. I've removed the bolts holding the TGV to the block, but it looks like the intake manifold is still a little bit stuck. There are a couple of connectors behind the block towards the bottom of the TGV, so just double check there and you should be able to remove those as well and remove the intake manifold. This concludes part 2 of the time lapse of removing the intake manifold. Feel free to send us any questions you have. Thank Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.